Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
Start by saving each workbook in an organized folder where you can find them easily. Close all unnecessary files to reduce update conflicts and confusion. Keep both workbooks saved in accessible folders before creating links to them. Use absolute paths when links must work across different computers or shared drives. Enable automatic calculation and set external link update options to prompt or update on open. Always note the full folder path and file name before you begin linking formula. To link cells directly, start in the destination workbook and type an external reference formula. For example, enter equals book. XLSX sheet 1, A1, or click to build the reference with both files open. Use named ranges in the source workbook to simplify formulas and reduce errors. Create links with index and match to avoid volatile functions where possible. Use the indirect function for dynamic paths, but remember indirect requires the source workbook to be open to return values. Use the Data tab and Edit Links dialog to view and manage all external connections in a workbook. From there, you can update, change source, or break links depending on your needs. If a link breaks, check the file path, workbook name, and sheet names for typos or moved files. Ensure source workbooks are accessible on shared drives or send copies if necessary. Finally, set Excel to prompt before updating external links to prevent unexpected data changes during opens.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.